What's up, everybody, and welcome back to All Things Duncombe. Alright, so today I'm going to be talking about MissJessie's co-wash. MissJessie's a very popular line, especially for natural hair care products. All my curly chicks, MissJessie is a really good product. So this product is for, you can use it for daily washing, but for people with type 4 hair like me, you wouldn't use it for a daily wash. You can use it on colored hair, natural hair, chemically treated hair, dried out, parched hair, and it's no suds cleansing for wigs, weaves, braids, and locks. So this product, I did like it because it acted more like a conditioner than it would a shampoo. Some of the other co-washes that I've used in the past were like As I Am co-wash or a lot of body co-wash, and that one was a little bit too of a liquid substance. So I like this one for that. It comes out, it's like blue. Show you what it looks like when it's on your hand. Pretty thick consistency. It smells pretty, it smells clean. Like, I don't know, maybe like a, like your average, like maybe like a Garnier or that Suave, how that shampoo used to smell. Not Garnier fruit cheese, because that one is more fruit citrusy, but this one smells like a Suave, like the Suave Professionals shampoo and conditioner. That's what it smells like. So the smell isn't too bad. It does have castor oil in this product, so I did like that, and it's no animal testing. I'll show you what my hair looks like before I put the product in my hair. It was pretty dry. I had my hair in some Bantu Knots, and then I wore it in a fro for a couple of days. So you can see it was pretty dry before I put the co-wash in my hair. I co-washed my hair in the shower, and then when I got out the shower, this is what it looked like outside of the shower. I had a little more curl definition to it. It felt pretty silky afterwards, which I appreciated, and I think overall it was a good product. I think I'm going to stick to this product to use for my weeks where I don't want to do the full on wash day with a treatment. So thumbs up for me for this. It was $13.29. I got it at a local beauty supply store, but I'm sure you can find it at Target, on Amazon, or any beauty supply store. They should have this brand. Like I said, MissJessie's is a pretty popular brand, and one of the things I like on their slogan is how it says the best darn conditioning wash period, and that's something that they stick to throughout the brand. So I will give this a thumbs up for sure. My hair feels pretty moisturized, and like I said, this is all I use when I wash my hair, because this is a co-wash, so you don't need to put any extra conditioner, any extra shampoo before. This is like a one product. This is one thing that you're going to use that will serve as if you're washing and conditioning your hair, and then when you get out, wash it out, put in a leave-in conditioner. So this is my thoughts on the product. Definitely a thumbs up. Like I said, I can't emphasize that enough, and I'll see you on the next video.